Hello there, welcome to our channel. Long names again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create an account on PNC Bank online from your computer. And now, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to create an account on PNC Bank online from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the source bar, click over there and type in pnc.com like this and hit enter. And after that you'll be redirected to the home page of PNC Bank itself. Now, to create an account on the PNC, you can see the first sign on button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign on, and after this tab appears, there is the enroll in online banking button available over here. Click over there and you'll be directed to the sign up page of PNC online and mobile banking. And to here this site, you will be required to enter your details from over here, your identification information, your account information, and after that click on next to the go through all these steps. And to be able to create an account on PNC, enter all the required details by the bank and your account will be created to these steps. And guys, this is how you create an account or sign up for a PNC bank account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.